Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today I'm going to take you guys to the American Dream, where the fantasy, fashion, food, family, and fun, the indoor family entertainment. When you go there, you can actually have fun and shopping at the same time. The mall located by MetLife Stadium in East Rutherford, New Jersey, and it is closer to New York City also. And they got most of our favorite retail shops like Zara, Primark, and H&M, and then Uniqlo, and you name it. There are so many open spaces available, and they are going to open it slowly. Actually, you can see that while we are walking. Since we went during this holiday season, you can see a lot of holiday decorations are there. The decor is beautiful, and there is a lot of space to maintain the safe distance from others. I was kind of worried. My family wasn't that comfortable, especially my husband. He wasn't comfortable going to a close mall. But as you can see, there is a lot of space. You can maintain that safe distance. The 3 billion plus square foot space will open in different stages, and eventually it's going to be 55% for the entertainment and 45% for the retail. One of the main attraction in the American Dream is the ring, NHL regulation sized ice skating ring offering public skating and special events. Now we are going to the other side of the American Dream. Here you can purchase the ticket. Here, okay, American Dreams, the Nickelodeon universe, the largest indoor theme park in the Western Hemisphere. As you can see, they have all these rides and roller coaster, and you can meet their favorite kids' favorite characters like SpongeBob, Dora, and all. And you can take pictures with them, and they can have so much fun activities inside. Last year, actually, we visited this place. That's when I took this picture. Now they will allow only the people who are buying the tickets. We didn't go inside. Here comes DreamWorks Water Park, North America's largest indoor water park. We didn't visit any of these places because of the pandemic, and maybe later we will go. But for the time being, we didn't want to. Look at that mass factory. Of course, we may need this for for some time. They have so many varieties, and as you can see, there are different types of mask available there. Another attraction is their Angry Birds Mini Golf Club. People of any ages, they can have fun over there. Throughout the mall, the wall they painted so nicely. It's so beautiful inside. It's different. Another thing I notice here is that riding thing, they can rent from there and ride throughout the mall. It's really fun, I really want to try that next time when I go. Yeah, it's not just for the kids, even the adults also, they can ride in that. This is where they rent that thingy. This is super cool, right? I want to try it. I didn't go to any shops, particular shops, and took the video, which you guys can see everywhere. But this I found it differently, this store. That's why I took it. Wow, look at that chocolate bars. Oh my god, that's my family's favorite one. I'm sure they will definitely get into that shop. Of course we did. And okay, here you go. All these small, boxes of chocolates. Oh my god, look at that. Happy birthday. Wow, so beautiful. I love it. All these, these are all for the gift packages. It's perfect for this holiday season. You can give people gifts. It's very beautiful. And look at the teddy bear. Oh wow, small. Oh my god, look at this. This is my favorite. Oh, loved it. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Another highlight of this American Dream. Wow, look at this indoor area. It's so beautiful. I loved it. It's good to sit and hang around, and they have they decorated nicely and well done. Beautiful. I loved it. Wow, look at that. These tigers are everywhere. They're having so much fun. Oh my god, it's so tempting to do it. This is the coolest area I found in this American Dream. It's so spacious, and I know there are so many people and it's crowded, but as you can see, it's a big area, so you can maintain that safe distance from others. Just imagine I'm only walking through the first floor, okay? I haven't even gone to the second or I think third floor and all. It's not occupied yet. But just imagine, I took, you will have a whole day fun over there. Even, if you're shopping, that's fun and you can just hang around. And while the kids are having some fun, so much fun inside. And the adults, they can, if they don't want to go for the ride, they can do all these shoppings. Look at that. I took this view from the second floor. It's amazing, right? It's beautiful, gorgeous. I didn't visit the Big Snow, the North America's indoor real snow park, and it's open 365 days a year. And the parking is free as of now. And next time when I come, I can cover more. There is more to cover. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you liked this video. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye. Take care.